You look like blue.
This is finished.
Hey, salamander.
Hello guys, what it do? This your boy Paulie Z and little Celia. Y'all know what it is, father and daughter duo out here. Anyhow, today we're going to get some breakfast with our best friends, BFFs, bros, you know, our brothers. I don't know what to call them really. They're a little weird. Those two are very weird guys. Just want to let you guys know before we start shooting today. Please be nice to them. They might act a little awkward. Do not be freaked out. Anyhow, we're gonna just making our bed. Please make your bed every morning, okay? That's how you start your day off.
With a little help.
With a little help by
Your
me,
mother.
obviously. Obviously, come on, man. You guys know what it is. Anyhow, guys, we're gonna get some breakfast, and then we're gonna go hiking on this park in Santa Rosa, Howarth Park. I think it's called. I said Hogwarts. It's Howarth Park. Anyhow, we'll keep you guys filled in. Hope you guys are having a good morning, and peace. What it do? You waking up now? Are you wakey? Finally gonna get some breakfast now. Today, dude. What's up? What's up? He's back.
Huh?
He told the camera that you guys are weird.
We got the new guy now. Hi, Joel.
Dominic is acting normal.
I can't see his face because this is covering now.
He's sleeping.
Hi, Auntie. Hi. You know who's back? Who's back? Dude, that video was funny. This is the Phillies. It's one of the best breakfasts.
Yeah, are kind of spicy.
How was it?
Hey, it's pretty good.
Hey guys, let's take a selfie. Let's take a selfie, guys. What is yours?
Parma.
The Italiano, the gun with the little bread. It seems like you don't like your food, man.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting to eat.
It's gonna be cold though. Why are you?
I know, I told him not to order it, but he didn't listen to me. How was your food,
Fire.
bro?
It was really good, man. I'm good. Hey, hi, followers of Paul.
He's one of them. Hi, baby.
Ow. That does not tickle. Your tickle is there.
Ready?
So as you guys know, I didn't do my hair today because I'm not really into it. No, we don't care about the getting hit, dude. Alright, it's always a great time with Andrew.
Where are we going now?
We're going to Lucky's to get some water before the hike
Lucky's.
because we're going to be dehydrated and I don't want to pass out. Where's Lucky's at, dude? I don't see it here.
here.
Oh. Alright, guys. Pump those muscles. Pump those muscles. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright guys, we just got these water jugs. This is not for drinking, by the way. This is for lifting. This is for lifting. Yeah, that's how we get those big biceps, you know? You guys been wondering how I get those big biceps? That's how.
No one's
Show
been
them,
wondering
show them.
that.
Show them how we do it. One. The street workout.
And you
Fly,
can get
do
the
the flies.
shoulders.
You guys know how it is. Anyhow, we're gonna head to the park now. My wife was somewhere in the Ross. I don't know why. Figure out that too as well. You know, girls love shopping, so never take girl to the mall. Bad idea. It's a nice day at the beautiful park. So, here's a little story about my fake Ray-Bans. These are fake, by the way, but I left my real one in East Coast on my last trip. Heck of mad, but it's all right. My cousin got it. He'll bring it back.
You're talking to yourself.
Yeah, I'm talking to myself, which is kind of weird.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm preparing all the food just in case you cry.
Well, what is this? What just happened here?
What are you doing?
I know you can do that to that. And there's Joe. There's Joe.
Like this.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
There we go.
You guys ready for a hike?
Yeah. Yes, we are.
Oh, you guys want to ride the train, dude? Put your glasses on. Put your stunner on. Put your stunner shades on.
You're like, no.
Put your stunner shades on. Good job. Oh, I just love the smell of redwood, guys. Hey, it's my crew here. Hey, Joe, why you so camera shy now, bro? You wanna Snapchat me all the time, huh? I got you now.
I'm not on the
I got you now. I was like, oh, that smells so. Breathe that in, guys. We're gonna ride on the choo-choo train. Right here. We're gonna stay right here, I think. Choo-choo train. Everybody's waiting for. Say what's up, Dominic. Hey, look, guys. Hey, baby.
On a train.
Hi, Joe. Hi. Woo. Dominic. Ready? Woo, choo-choo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo train. Everybody, choo-choo train. Yay, choo-choo.
You're just loving it more than the
Guys, Hogwarts, we're going to Hogwarts. Platform 3/4.
No, not the
9 3/4. We're going to Hogwarts. Mr. Potter. That's Harry Potter.
Ready? We're gonna scream.
The funniest thing is my phone is an iPhone 10 and it did not recognize my face when I put the freaking glasses on, so I have to keep taking it off and on, which I don't like to do. Look, guys, look where we're at. It's Howarth Park.
That's what. You shut up.
You shut up.
Oh, watch out, there's bikes.
There's a bike. Slow down, dude. Yo, slow down. We're debating whether this is a poison oak or not.
3 leaves? Like the.
No, not like that.
What did you just say? He's very smart. What did you say about the poison oak? He knew more about him than we did. I think that is poison oak over there, guys. What do you think about that, Andrew? Is that poison oak?
I don't know, go lay on it.
All right, guys, we're like 5 miles off the... We're done 5 miles already. We're very tired. Let's go back, guys. We took the pictures. That's enough. We showed the people that we did the hike. Let's go now. Do you know how like some models on Instagram they don't even work out. They just put like water on their face and they pretend
like that.
Yeah, we don't do that though. We do. We're hiking this thing for real. I don't know how many miles
This
is
is
this?
like the pre-church hike. We've been going for like 20 miles.
Okay, so
7. Running low on water.
we need help.
We're lost.
We need help, guys.
And,
So I just want to say that Joel just stepped on a poo-poo. Poo-poo.
oh,
He stepped in a poo-poo.
and Paul was saying in Lucky's, he was like,
What was I saying?
I gotta take a huge old poop.
I had to take a big old poop, guys. I'm proud
Okay,
of
don't
it.
put that in the...
I am. It's poop is not a sin.
Big poop right now.
I'm taking big poop.
All right, kids.
Big poop. Hey, I have a big poop. Poo-poo head. Poo-poo head. All right, put the stunner shades on. Look how Andrew, man. This guy, man, he's a good-looking guy, man. He's single, ladies. He's single, guys. Guys, he's single. All the guys and ladies, he's single. I'm gonna say it, guys. I think this was a bad idea. It's very hot, Dominic. It's almost like 98 here right now, guys, and we did not prepare for this. Look at this. We got jeans on. My boot thing. My boot.
Dominic was like,
Something. That's a snake. Just catch it, bro. Catch it.
it is a snake.
It's a snake. It's a snake, guys. And his mama's probably right behind us. Oh,
Wow.
look at Andrew. He caught something. So we had to put it on the
So now
pillow
do you
to
like
see
hiking?
it. Andrew. Dude, kill it, Andrew, first so we can see how it looks.
Hold it in your hand. Put it in the dirt part so it's
Oh, no, it's a salamander.
Ah.
Look what my friend found, guys. This is
Blue,
brand
she's my friend.
Has there ever been one like that? No, right? I don't think salamander has a blue tail.
I discovered
Actually, I think it's a lizard.
How do you see that?
Oh, whatever it is.
Because
It's beautiful.
Native American and he
Oh,
told
he's
me.
a Native American hunter.
And he called me.
He hunts.
He called me.
He was called by the spirit of
He's
this.
like, come catch me.
That's cool though. And he's just sitting there. He's
Oh,
like,
whoa, dang, dude. He just gave me that look like, don't come near me. Okay, look what we did.
What if there was a snake on the other side?
Did you actually get it?
I grabbed it, then I was like, that's not it, and I let it go.
Joel?
What?
What if there was a snake on the other side? Because there's one right here. He's right here in this stick. He's under the grass. Oh, he just ran. He just ran.
Him.
Let's corner him.
This is the Native American live in action right here, guys. Finally at the bakery, I had to come back in the car to look for options, what we want for our daughter's birthday cake. This little monkey chunky right here. I feel like we should put her face in the cake, babe. Where are you? Are you in cake land?
Happy first birthday,
No, happy birthday. Hey, dude, guys, we just got done hiking. We went cake shopping for my daughter's first birthday coming up next Sunday. And now we're back in bed. We have an event to go to later at a church anniversary. So we're just, you know, trying to get some rest. But anyhow, it was an awesome day. We went hiking on this amazing trail that you guys all saw. Now, it was very hot, actually. It was very hot. We were not prepared for it. But, you know, we enjoyed seeing the salamander, the cool, really blue one. And, you know, it was an awesome day because it's always awesome with me, guys. And I want to thank all my subscribers out there. And if you guys are new viewers, please subscribe. I cannot emphasize that anymore. Or, you know, it would mean a lot to us. Subscribe, share our page, whatever. Do whatever, guys. And in the future, I'll have big things coming up. I'm thinking about, you know, doing some pretty cool stuff, collaborating with my folks. So anyhow, thank you all. Have a good day. And